In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace tail lights on a Nissan Maxima. They are located on the back of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to go ahead and make our way into the trunk and locate these two clips right here. One on this panel on the back side of the trunk and one on the side. We'll be using a trim tool to remove these. Now we're going to proceed to these three on the side and do the same. Now we're going to move on top to this trunk arm, to this liner. You're going to have two ears on each side. Just pull them out. And pull the liner away from the trunk. Now with that out of the way, we can locate our electrical connector for the taillight. It's connected to this clip. On top, push down the tab and slide it out. Inspect for any corrosion or damage. Now we're going to move on to the inner edge of the trunk and locate these two 8mm bolts holding the taillight down. Go ahead and remove those. Now we're going to go back outside the vehicle and remove our taillight. Place both hands on it and just push out. We can slide it out of the vehicle. We're going to undo our grommet from the inside. Just push it on both edges and slide the taillight out. And there it is. Now I'm going to clean my mating surface on the body of the vehicle with a rag. Now let's go ahead and install our tail light. I'm going to slide my harness and the grommet through the hole on the vehicle. Make sure it's fully seated. I could slide my tail light into place. Once it's lined up, give it a nice firm push and make sure it clips in. Now we could reinstall our two 8mm nuts. Go ahead and snug these down. And now reconnect your electrical connector. Make sure it's lined up and push down. Make sure it's secure. Now let's reinstall our liner. Slide the ears over the trunk arm. Put everything back into place. Make sure your trunk mat goes over the liner. Now we can move on to installing our plastic clips. Now for our last two clips.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.